Let's check out the new WalkerFit M6 Ultra Rugged Sports Smartwatch. First, when it comes to packaging, as you see, it looks so incredibly cool on it. Okay, and let's take it off. So inside the box, we get the watch itself. Again, the packaging actually is very nice, and the presentation overall, again, top class on this watch. So we get our watch here. By the way, I have already used this watch for some time, and generally actually I'm very impressed in this watch. Inside the box we also get our magnetic charger. By the way, WalkerFit actually sent me over this watch to check it out, and also they even included a metal strap for me as well. So we also can actually purchase this watch with a metal strap as well. And this also looks very nice quality. And also we even get a tool to basically shorten the strap as well if you need. And also we have our quick manual here as well. And when it comes to the build quality, this watch looks absolutely amazing. So you see we have full metal body on this watch, and also we have metal scroll wheel here on the top and another metal button on the bottom, which we can actually customize for any action as well. So you see, if I press, I have set up mine to launch a timer for me, but we can customize this for pretty much any action on this watch. Also you see, when we are in the watch face, if I also rotate my wheel, I can change between the different watch faces. Also on this watch we have a speaker, a microphone as well, so yep, we can even make and receive calls as well. So you see on the back we also have nice metal backplate and also sensors here for the watch as well. So yeah, overall when it comes to build quality, this watch looks absolutely amazing. And this is what the watch looks like on my wrist. It looks very smart indeed. Also we have raise wrist to wake function as well on this watch. So yeah, definitely when it comes to style and design, this watch looks absolutely amazing. And also the strap quality on this watch also looks very decent. So we have nice metal buckle here. And screen brightness in direct sunlight also is actually very decent. So you see it's very visible actually in full-blown sunlight. And this is what it looks like with the metal strap on. Definitely actually when you actually fit the metal strap, it looks very high-end. So yeah, when it comes to style and design, really you can't ask for a better looking watch than this one. Yeah, looks very impressive indeed. And let's check out everything we get on this watch. First, if I swipe down, I can get access to my quick settings here. Also, I can add even more. So you see the selection actually is very huge here. For example, we can set up a flashlight here. So if I want to launch my flashlight, I can simply go over here and open it up. So yeah, very cool. So also if I swipe like this, I can get access to my notifications, maybe like WhatsApp or SMS or email. And also you can use this button to also go back as well. If I swipe up, I can get access to various tiles here. For example, as you see, you can also use a scroll wheel here to browse and navigate through the different tiles, or you can simply like use your finger as well. So first we have this like activity tile for today. So you see, once we click this, you can see how many steps you have done today, calories, distance walked. So you see, I have used it. And also, you see, you can also see it in more fine details here. For example, the step count for each hour as well for today. Then also, if I swipe like this, you see also I can go back. And also I have music player here as well. So yep, I can actually listen to music on this watch as well. And definitely, yeah, also the speaker quality is very decent on this watch as well, as you could hear. Then also, for example, we have our heart rate tile over here where we can check our current heart rate, so obviously need to wear your watch. And also, as you see, I can also check my resting heart rate for the past days as well, which is absolutely awesome. So also you can see your heart rate graph for the day as well, also like maximum and the lowest heart rate basically it has recorded for today as well. So also we can measure our blood oxygen here as well. So see, this also has continuous blood oxygen measurement if you enable it. But obviously this will actually drain a bit more battery, so if you want to save more battery, maybe you can only use the blood oxygen when you actually need it instead of measuring constantly. Also we have continuous stress measurement here as well. So we have the high and lows, and also we can easily check our weather information here as well. As you see, this also looks incredibly nice. You can definitely see all the information you need here. We can also set multiple alarms here as well. This can also do sleep tracking as well. And also you can see the past workout records here as well, for example. So this is actually what one will look like. And yeah, you can see obviously more in the phone app. And also you can do cycle tracking as well, so for women. And also we have a stopwatch. You see, we can very quickly launch this thing, or also go over here. We have a timer here as well. So for example, you can quickly choose from which minutes you want, maybe 5 minutes. As you see, once we click 5 minutes, the timer is running. And also this obviously can run in the background. So you see basically, okay, let me actually go back to the timer. See, it's actually running in the background, unlike on other watches. The only negative is, however, basically for the timer, we actually can't see the remaining time basically on this tile. So I think that really needs to be changed. Other than that, timer is actually very good. Also, vibration also is actually fairly good on this watch. And also we can edit this date field here, so you can remove some stuff that you do not need. And if I swipe like this, I can get access to all my apps over here. So you see this, for example, what this view looks like. By the way, also we can change basically the view as well. So we can go in the settings here. So where do we have it? Maybe themes. So yeah, basically, for example, let's set it as list. So let's check now. I see probably better this way, so I can actually see what we have over here. So also obviously we can make and receive calls on this watch as well. So let's try it out. So I can either select from contacts or also simply type in something. As you see, I have my phone in range. Obviously you need to have your phone in range. This doesn't have internal SIM card. So see, if I press this, so yeah, basically I just typed some random stuff and it can like make calls. And obviously when someone calls, it will also show up on the watch and you'll be able to answer and call to someone as well. So yeah, this is actually very decent. So daily activity, showed you that already. And also this has got tons of different workouts that we can track as well. So these are the favorite ones that we have over here. And we can click add more here, and you see you have like crazy amount of different exercise here. For example, let's check out water sports. So we see we have sailing, surfing. Obviously this watch also has got water protection as well, so you can even swim with it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. When it comes to total amount of exercise, so probably well over 100 probably. So yeah, actually quite advanced. So once you actually start the workout, let me show you how it would look like. So okay, so you can either wait for the GPS to lock on or click start now. Okay, and there you can see your heart rate here. So you see I have my finger on the sensor. So also, yeah, basically see a bunch more things here. Also you can control music here as well. Also see, we can end it by pressing this. Yep, let's end it. Also again, workout records that we had done in the past here. Sleep tracking, blood oxygen. So yep, I already showed you that. Stress tracking, music, voice assistant. So I guess this simply uses voice assistants that you have on your phone. So again, you need to have your phone range to be able to use this. We also have our compass. We need to calibrate it. Okay, once calibrated, you see, we'll even have working compass on this watch as well. How cool is that? So as you see, also, for example, we have various breathing exercise if you care about the stuff. So probably most won't care about that. Stopwatch, alarms, timers, calculator. So yeah, basic calculator over here even on this watch. Also, we can remotely take a picture on our phone camera as well. So if you press this, flashlight, find my phone function. So if you have lost your phone, you can simply tap and it will ring your phone. And the settings, I already showed you that. Also, you see, you can also customize this lower button to basically for any action. You see, this is actually what we can set. So let me start from the start. So for example, you can quickly start a workout by simply pressing this if you want. Okay. As you see, there is like all the functions really of the watch can be actually launched with this one, which is very, very useful. And that's about it when it comes to settings. Also, it appears we even have always on display on this watch as well. And this is what the always on display would look like on this watch. By the way, we can set up multiple styles for the always on display. So if you do not like this one. And finally, also let's check our phone app. So it uses this WalkerFit Pro app. So when you launch it, you can see your step count for the today, and also you can see a week overview here as well. So history. Also you can see your heart rate basically for the today, your resting heart rate, also heart rate range here, minimum, maximum. So again, yeah, so this is actually very advanced over here. Sleep tracking, this watch also has, if you care about the stuff, blood oxygen. So you can see all the values that it has measured. Stress tracking here as well. So it even shows you basically how much time we have spent in each like section, essentially how long we have had moderate stress, how basically no stress and stuff like that. Also again the cycle tracking as well, and we can edit this stuff here as well, remove some stuff. Also you can even quickly launch a workout from the phone as well. And also, for example, we can literally see the history for the workouts here as well. And then we can also manage all the settings over here. We have alarms that we can set. Also, if you are not receiving maybe some notifications from certain app, also make sure to go over here and enable it. So again, if you, for example, WhatsApp is not working, make sure to go over here, enable that. Also, we can also enable these quick replies for messages as well, which is also very decent. And also we can change the watch face here as well. Okay. We have, as you see, different always on displays that we can actually send over, and also like crazy amount of different watch face that we can choose from. So there definitely is probably something for everyone. The only thing, this basically loading of this watch face is a bit slow. This watch face market, I mean. So if you want maybe like keep refreshing, then to load some more. So essentially, if you want maybe send over some watch face to your watch, let's maybe choose this one, and as you see, it's sending over to the watch, and let's see how long it takes to send over. So when I check the actual total amount, there were, I think, a bit over 100 watch face that we can choose from. So yeah. Okay. As you see, we have this new watch face on the watch now. Finally, also when it comes to battery life, this watch also has insanely good battery life. If we check the specs, it claims to get around 2 weeks of normal usage, which is absolutely amazing. If you maybe compare to maybe like Samsung or Apple, then again those watches can literally last for maybe like a day, but this watch literally probably easily with even heavy usage, maybe like 10 days even, but with maybe light usage, maybe like 15 days, something like that. So yeah, definitely also battery is very good on this watch. And yeah, overall I think this is absolutely insanely cool watch. So not only it looks absolutely amazing, the build quality is top notch, also very good features on this watch. And yeah, also if you actually check out the price of this watch, I think it's absolute bargain. By the way, if you want to get this watch for a special price, so the cheapest you can get it for anywhere, simply check out the special links in the description. They will lead you to the official WalkerFit website where you can pick up this watch for the cheapest price. Anyway, good luck.